All right, welcome back. Gorgeous day across the state here. We deserved this kind of day, a dry day, blue sky, warmer temperatures, 78 degrees right now, and you can still see Old Glory flapping in the wind there out of the west at about 17 miles per hour. Great Falls, a great day, 74 degrees, mostly sunny skies right now. Started out with a little cloud cover out there and some wind gusts still up to about 30 miles per hour. A little cooler the farther northwest you go in the state. Look at Cut Bank at 63, Kalispell at 65, and we're well up into the 80s into southeast Montana here. So a little warmer and also a little windy out there in some locations, especially off of the Rocky Mountain front east of the Continental Divide. We've got some pretty good wind. Now looking at the radar, and not much going on here. Out in the Dakotas, we've got some thunderstorms that extend all the way down into parts of Colorado, Kansas, and Oklahoma even. And I'm showing you this up here into Western Canada because really what we're looking at in Montana and Western Canada is a dip in the jet stream and almost round after round of low pressure kind of coming down from Western Canada, going through Montana, going back up into Canada, and then coming back down around into the Pacific Northwest and the Northern Rockies. And that pattern will continue through the holiday weekend here. So some of the stormiest weather could be up across the Pacific Northwest and the Rockies. And there will be some thunderstorms in other locations, but here we go. Tonight, generally clear skies. The wind calms down. The full moon's not until Sunday, but the moon is big and bright. And heading into tomorrow, one of these little disturbances will come down from Canada and come into the western part of the state. And look at this, thunderstorms firing in the afternoon and then moving northeastward here through the evening hours. So 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Helena, Great Falls out there around Missoula. Lewistown could get hit numerous times tomorrow, and a few of these storms may even cross the high line in between Havre and Glasgow. There goes one disturbance, and see how it moves up into Canada. And now we've got on Saturday, the 4th of July, another one that will be coming down here into the state, kicking off afternoon and evening thunderstorms. So expect to run into some rain and some lightning strikes there if you are out and about here this weekend. Now, Saturday night into Sunday morning, that disturbance moves into eastern Montana. It's out of here. Once again, moving up into Canada. A few isolated thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon, and then into Monday, a few more isolated thunderstorms before yet another disturbance comes down here into the state for Tuesday night into Wednesday. That'll be a little more widespread thunderstorm activity here. So wet weather kind of continues. Here's the forecast for tomorrow, July 3rd. Watch out around Helena, Bozeman, Butte, Dillon, West Yellowstone, if anybody's traveling that way. Even Great Falls and Lewistown a little later on for some of these thunderstorms. But most of Friday until the thunderstorms start popping will be looking pretty good. There's the 4th of July. Afternoon thunderstorms likely here, but until then, temperatures in the 80s. And then Sunday, maybe a few showers early and then a couple of isolated thunderstorms a little later on in the day. Here's the 7-day forecast. Great Falls, a late evening storm tomorrow. Scattered storms Saturday afternoon, isolated storms Sunday and Monday. And for the capital, afternoon storms likely tomorrow. You'll likely see scattered thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon for most of the area. Isolated storms Sunday into Monday. A little uptick in the activity here on Tuesday. A little drier Wednesday and Thursday. And how about those temperatures? Highs staying in the upper 70s and the lower to mid 80s over the 7-day period.
All right, Curtis, thank you so much. Coming up on the news at 6.